Hey there Candy Crush lover, want to switch account or take a break from the sugar rush? I got you. In this video, I am going to show you how to log out of Candy Crush. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open Candy Crush on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, look for the gear icon. It's located at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on My Account or King Account. Depend on your game is linked. You might see options like Facebook, Apple ID or Google. Once you are inside My Account, look for the Logout button. Once you find it, tap on it. Confirm if it asks. You are now free from the Candy Kingdom. If you want to log in with a different account, just go back to the setting, tap My Account again and sign in with your Facebook account. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can log out of Candy Crush. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.